Ready to supercharge your Nintendo 3DS storage beyond the 32GB limit. While the 3DS officially supports up to 32GB SD cards, we can actually use larger ones with a simple formatting trick. First, power off your 3DS and remove the SD card. Now, on your computer, you'll need to download the SD card formatter. A link is in the description below. Install and open the software. Insert your SD card into your computer using a card reader in the SD card formatter. Select the drive corresponding to your SD card. Be absolutely sure you select the correct drive to avoid accidentally formatting the wrong device. Under Options, set Format Size Adjustment to on. This is crucial. Then, simply click Format and wait for the process to complete. This will format your SD card to FAT32, which is compatible with the 3DS. Once the formatting is complete, safely eject the SD card from your computer. Reinsert it into your powered-off Nintendo 3DS. Power on your 3DS. Your system should now recognize and use the larger SD card without any issues. Enjoy all that extra storage for your games, downloads, and more.